Today we have a 2010 Mighty Viper VT36CL by 1500. Machine has a FANUC 21 ITB control. We have a 20-inch SMW auto block hydraulic chuck. It's got a tailstock, chip conveyor. The spindle bore is 7.28 inches. It's a 50 horsepower motor. We're towing along the tailstock first. There's the quill. That's an NT6 taper on the quill. Now we're going to run the spindle. 50 RPM and low. (100 RPM). Going over to high range. It's a 2-speed gearbox. (130). It's 200 RPM, ramping up to, that's 3. (460 RPM). All right. Z-axis sounds good. So does X. That's a 12 station turret.